3 crazy and funny Google tricks. Trick number 1. Search cha-cha-cha slide on Google. Click on the mice logo.
To the right now.
And start tapping on the
To
new
the left.
logos and watch
Take
the
it back
fun
now,
on the
y'all.
screen.
One hop this time. One hop this time. Right foot, 2 stumps. Left foot, 2 stumps.
You will enjoy this funny lyrics
Slide to
dance
the
of
left.
screen on the song.
Slide to the right. Crisscross. Crisscross. Cha-cha real smooth. Let's go to work.
Trick number 2. Search Pac-Man on the Google. If you have played Pac-Man during your childhood, then this hack is for you. Click on play and start enjoying the game online. No need to download the game. This game gives you a glimpse of your childhood fun and feelings. Trick number 3. Search dog on Google. Click on paw of dog appearing on the screen. Now when you will tap anywhere on the screen, a paw will appear on the screen. You will surely enjoy it if you are a dog lover. Click on the cross button to get exit from this.